All right, guys, check it out. Shelter's coming together really nice. So we've taken some of your guys' suggestions as far as the setup of the beds goes and things like that. I got some of the I got some of the walls in. Can I just do a video for my thing and then? All right, guys, so the bushcraft is coming along really well. We've actually taken a bunch of your guys' suggestions in the setup of the beds and things like that. And those of you that suggested instead of instead of doing short horizontal things, just to do longer splits. And it actually was quite comfortable. We ended up using the Tyvek roll and started setting it out. Looks really good here. Look at that. It's almost roughed in. It's roughed in proper. All right, guys. Wish you were here.
Thank the people at Camouflage for supplying us with the fundamentals for camping. This is the location and the phone number. Camouflage on Queen Street. They're a real good couple boys in there, sustaining us with all the provisions that we need for camping.
All right, so I'm chilling here with Marcus. We camped out. We're about to break camp. I got most of my stuff set up. I know I don't normally do breakfasts, but this guy gets up early and eats breakfast, so I'm prepping some noodles. It looks like it's gone out. I'll have to check it. So we're going to finish off, go biking now, actually. You guys were with me when I put the bikes on the car yesterday. It's gonna be great. Actually, you know what? This will go over here. There we go. All right. All right, YouTube, we are at the lake shore and we are going to check out this absolutely marvelous beach back here. You can see a giant ship over here in the distance. If it shows up, has just passed under the lift bridge. So we're going to take these marvelous bicycles and work our way down towards the far end. Ciao for now.
Hi guys. Hi.
Are you one-handing that bike? Whoa. Whoa. I heard you scrape the bottom bracket.
Okay.
You fucking break it. You buy it, buddy.
Look, here they come. Here they come.
And the guy there in the booth is fucking dead serious.
What if I drop the bike off?